Welcome student, I am Dr. Sujata Gadak. Today we are going to study problem number 3 of topic number 8, analysis of financial statement. We can see here problem number 3. Now I read. Bharat Petrol Limited, Badlapur submit the following profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2016, and we can see here profit and loss account closed with the same amount of 1 crore 13 lakh 60,000. After that, this profit and loss information given additional information, which is calculate gross profit ratio, net profit ratio, operating profit ratio, operating net profit ratio. Okay, so firstly we calculate here gross profit ratio. Now I write here gross profit ratio gross profit ratio. What is the formula of gross profit ratio? Gross profit ratio is equal to gross profit upon sales multiplied by 100. This is a formula of gross profit ratio. When we observe our given problem, gross profit amount is 1 crore 4 lakh and then sales amount is 3 crore 20 lakh. We put value into formula gross profit amount 1 crore 4 lakh upon 3 crore 20 lakh. This is amount of sales and multiplied by 100. We are getting answer is 32.5%. This is a gross profit ratio. And then number second ratio is given in this problem, net profit ratio. Okay, so I write down here net profit ratio. What is the formula of net profit ratio? Net profit upon sales multiplied by 100. Okay, when we observe, we get net profit 56 lakh and then sales amount is the same 3 crore 20 lakh. Okay, so we put amount into formula. Net profit amount is 56 lakh upon 3 crore 20 lakh. This is the amount of sales multiplied by 100. When we solve this example, we are getting answer 17.5%. Okay, the next formula is operating profit ratio. Operating profit ratio. What is the formula this operating profit ratio? Cost of goods sold plus operating expenses upon sales. Okay, when we observe this profit and loss account, we getting some amount. Cost of goods sold, that means into sale we minus gross profit, we are getting cost of goods sold. Then operating expenses, in this problem operating expenses given in two form. This is the selling expenses 8 lakh rupees and then administration expenses 45 lakh 60,000. That means total summation of operating expenses is 53 lakh 60,000. And then when we minus some gross profit upon sale, we getting answer cost of goods sold. So when we minus into 3 crore 20 lakh amount of 1 crore 4 lakh, we getting amount 2 crore 16 lakh. And operating expenses also 53 lakh 60,000 upon sales amount 3 crore 20 lakh multiplied by 100, we are getting answer 84.25%. Okay, next ratio, operating net profit ratio. Okay, operating net profit ratio. What is the formula of operating net profit ratio? Operating net profit upon sales multiplied by 100 is equal to operating net profit ratio. Then operating net profit, that means we have net profit 56 lakh. Okay, then we add loss on sale of furniture 1,60,000 and then minus profit on sale of shares 9,60,000, we are getting amount of operating net profit. So we are write down here 56 lakh, this is the net profit, plus loss on sale of furniture 1,60,000 minus profit on sale of shares 9,60,000 upon sales amount 3 crore 20 lakh rupees multiplied by 100. When we calculate this 56 lakh rupees plus 1,60,000 minus 9,60,000, we are getting answer 48 lakh rupees, and then upon 3 crore 20 lakh rupees amount of sales multiplied by 100 is equal to 15%. Hence operating net profit ratio is 15%. We solve all ratio, or we calculate all ratio as per given profit and loss account information. So thank you very much.